You know what? Rusty and I have made a ton of money together. And we thought, you know what a better idea than instead of keeping it to ourselves, let's share this.
We have some specific success formulas that we work with, but they're personalized to me, to personalized to Joe, and have helped a lot of people design theirs as well. And it's using something that I call the mind money method. And Joe and I use this. It's your money mindset. If you haven't worked on your money mindset, you're leaving money on the table. And if you're making money, you might not be saving it. If you're saving money, you may not be investing it wisely. And that all comes from the programming in your brain. So we're going to be diving in together, actually for free, to show you how to find the programming that's holding you back and rewire your unconscious mind to make it easy to make more money, save more money, and invest more wisely.
Every one of us has a thermostat in terms of where our money mindset is. And I can personally tell you that my thermostat used to be set. I used to always want to make big money. And unfortunately, my subconscious mind had a thermostat down here due to programming of my past. What Rusty is able to do, because he's my mindset coach, he's able to reset the thermostat so you can put it on high. And he's going to show you how to do this for free on Wednesday, April 17th at 2 o'clock Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. You absolutely have to come to this. And what are you calling this, Rusty?
This is the mind money method, because you use your mind to make money.
Let's go. You got to come and visit us. So click the button to register and come to this free event. This is usually something that is super valuable as far as money. I would personally say that what you'll get out of this is easily worth $5,000. You're going to get this for zero. $5,000, $0, 60 minutes of your life. It's totally worth it. So come and visit us on April 17th at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern time.
Let's do it.